Ka high level committee HLC shan kan sakot ya ka je lang na ka banta ban thir bha ha ka bai de ba ka jingpyn kynriah Khar Metor ki ba song basa Them Ïew Mawlong ya ka ni la pen tip do sumbon mitrang ba ka jala ba Prestone ten song menta ka si ka apsau tu ha ka ji kendo bat kilat patai kubor kani ka jingan tho chairman ka HPC kalawan hadian ba ka harjan panchayat committee hakini ki singi kala kentai halo ka blueprint bala pen kre da sarkar uba Prestone ulo ong ba na kaliang jong ka sarkar kala kren da ka basai ha ka bai de bat ki brio ki basa Them Ïew Mawlong ba ka jingpyn kynriah ki te ki brio na ka te ka chaka kan ïaid be khmat.
No, that I've already replied very, very clearly. See, that day we received a letter on the 20th of this month. They sent a letter, and then their stand is very clear that they don't accept their blueprint presented by the government, sent by the government to all of them. Okay, so that is the case right now. So, if you ask me whether the government will go ahead with the proposal. The proposal is very clear. Relocation, as I said to you from day one, relocation has to take place. Whatever you say, relocation has to take place. Ya mentang ila dang pa iki kot kisla prokocha ka show advocate general. Then again adin mula study na song then ngin sa song. Ngin Muslim ni kira ngin sa song kap ko. Ap siya ngin sa pe ta ngapala ban ok no. Then may kajing ya kamot ke nakaliang ka legal cell na kaliang jong advocate general udang study na ros dong.